Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report charts appraisal of today, Tuesday the 2nd of December, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. As ever, I'm going to be looking at gold as my final chart, and what a day yesterday. That was the volatility that we saw yesterday was incredible. $79 in terms of the trading band, from the low at 1,142.90 to the high at 1,221. So just an incredible day. It's completely and utterly turned it around. I mean, theoretically, that's a huge bullish key one-day reversal, but I'm just not convinced. I just think that is just the volatility playing out in this trade. I think it was more of a reaction, a knee-jerk reaction to the dollar weakness. I don't think it's going to be the start of a turnaround for gold necessarily. I think there's a hell of a lot more that needs to be done to suggest that gold is going on the upside. And the interesting thing that I wanted to talk about was the fact that we've had yesterday, I'll drag it in, these are the Bollinger Bands on gold, and it does tend to trade very nicely within the Bollinger Bands. And yesterday we went from the lower Bollinger Band straight to the high, and we're now correcting back again. So I think that would suggest that this reaction is maybe a little bit, certainly in terms of the volatility, has gone from one extreme to the other, and maybe that's played out. So maybe it's now on an unwinding trade. Also, just looking on the intraday hourly chart, certainly the momentum has run its course in terms of the upside. This RSI falling, MACD lines crossed over falling, stochastics falling. That would suggest near-term bearish momentum across the board. So then where do you come back to? Well, it's already fallen back from 12.21 yesterday, obviously, wasn't it? So it's now fallen back almost $30 from that level. So you can see that this volatility is still there in the chart, and I think it's still going to play out. I think the volatility is going to continue today. If the dollar remains strong, which it looks like it is at the moment, then I think gold could continue to correct backwards. The initial support, you would argue, is this 85.45 level, and then I think more importantly the long pivot level, which comes in at 1,180.70. I think that is the level you probably need to be looking out for, and if that broke again to the downside, I think that you could see even further, maybe even back towards the lows. I mean, not saying today, but just generally. And I think just looking at these momentum indicators back on the daily chart again, there's I still don't really think that there's anything to get overly bullish about. I think the MACD lines have just unwound to neutral. Stochastics also have rolled over, given a sell signal. And I just think that there's further weakness that we're going to see in this. And I think that the just moving out slightly with these downtrend channel lines, I think we're still moving within those trend channel lines, and I think we're going to be pulling lower. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today. It's going to be, I think, another volatile one. So I'll speak to you later. Thank you.